Imagine a liquid you can punch like a brick, but it melts through your fingers when you relax. That's Oobleck, aka a non-Newtonian fluid. And today I'm making it in under 2 minutes so you can science up your kitchen table. Here's the hook. Smack it, it's solid. Let it sit, it's liquid. Your hands become the on-off switch. Steps. 1. Grab 2 cups of cornstarch. 1. Grab 1 cup of water. 1. Grab a bowl you don't mind getting messy. Optional, a few drops of food coloring. 1. Pour the cornstarch into the bowl. Add about half the water. Start mixing with your hands. It'll fight you. That's normal. 1. Add water a splash at a time. Stop when it hits the sweet spot. Squeeze fast. It hardens. Hold still. It oozes. The magic ratio is about 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water. Too runny? Add a spoon of cornstarch. Too stiff? Add a splash of water. 1. Color it if you want. Mix gently to avoid splatters. Now play. Punch it. Roll it into a ball. Watch it puddle as soon as you stop. Drum your fingers on the surface. Run across it quickly, then pause and sink. What's happening? Push fast. Starch particles lock together. Instant traffic jam. Move slow. Particles slip past each other so it flows. It's shear thickening behavior, the opposite of ketchup. Pro tips: keep a towel nearby. If it starts drying out, add a few drops of water and knead. Clean up. Wipe chunks into the trash first, then wash. Do not dump Oobleck down the sink. Quick challenge: set a spoon on top and tap fast. Can you keep it from sinking for 3 seconds? Tag me with your best Oobleck tricks. Science you can squish. Now go make a liquid you can high five.